welcome to Surya's Easy Maths. How are you all? I hope you all are safe and healthy at home. So children, ready for maths class? Yes. Let us start our today's class. Children, what we studied in a previous video? Do you remember? Yes, we studied about shapes. That there are two types of shapes, plane shapes and solid shapes. And we studied about plane shapes and their properties. So today we are going to understand about solid shapes or 3D shapes. So children, let us see the characteristics of solid shapes. Solid shapes can be seen from various sides. For example, children, you take a book in your hand. You can see it from all sides, yes? It means book is a solid shape. And you can see it from various sides. Solid shapes has many faces. Faces may be flat or curved. Children, flat face is plain like that of a book. A curved face is rounded like that of a ball. Now next, let us see. Solid shapes are also called as three-dimensional or 3D shapes, because these shapes have length, that is depth, breadth, that is wideness, and height. A cube, cuboid, cylinder, cone, and sphere are all solid shapes. So children, these all are important characteristics of solid shapes. Now children, let us understand what are faces, edges and vertices. First, let us see what are faces. The surface of a solid is called its one face. In the picture children, you can see face of a cube where arrow is shown. This is one face of a cube. It has many such faces. Now, let's see what are the edges. Two faces meet on a line called its one edge or side. Children, we studied about sides in a previous video. Correct na? For the same word side, we have another word, that is edge. But the meaning is same. So see the picture. Here two faces meet on a line, so it is a one edge or side of it. Now, let us see what are vertices. The point where two or more edges meet is called its one vertex or corner. Children, here we got a new word for a corner is vertex. Now, see in the picture where the edges meet. So, this is a one vertex of a cube. Now children, let us understand about plane and curved faces. Children, see the top of a table, blackboard, the floor, all have plane surfaces. When we touch them, we can observe that these all have plane surfaces. Now, see a ball, orange, bulb. These all are having curved faces. If we touch them, we can observe that these are having curved surfaces. Now children, let us understand about straight and curved edges. Children, see here. A ring, bangle are having curved edges or sides. Yes children? And if you will observe, a box, a dice are having straight edges or sides. Now, look at some solid shapes and let us learn their properties. So, here we have first shape. Children, this shape is called as a cube. So, children, observe it and say how many edges does a cube has. So, let us count. Children, edges means sides. So, let us count how many sides does a cube has. So this is one side, two side, three sides, four side, five side, six side, seven side, eight side, 9th side, 10th side, 11th side and 12th side. So children, 12 edges or sides a cube has and all are straight edges. Now let us count the number of vertices a cube has. Children, vertices means? Yes, corners. So let's count. This is one corner, second corner, third corner, fourth corner. This is fifth corner, sixth corner, seventh corner and eighth corner. So a cube has 8 vertices or 8 corners. Now let us see how many faces does a cube has. Children, here we can see faces of cube which are plane. Every face is a square. Yes? Now let's count and see how many faces a cube has. So this is first face, second face, third face, fourth face, fifth face and sixth face. So all 6 faces are plane and every face is a square. So children, we observe is that a cube has 12 straight edges or sides. It has 8 vertices or corners and it has 6 plain square faces. Now let's see the next shape. Can you say what shape is it called? Yes, this is called a cuboid. Now can you say me which type of edges or sides does a cuboid has? Yes, these are straight edges. Now let us count and see how many edges does a cuboid has. This is first edge, second edge, third edge, fourth edge, fifth edge, sixth edge, seventh edge, eighth edge, ninth edge, 10th edge, 11th edge and 12th edge. Therefore, a cuboid has 12 straight edges. Now, let us count the vertices and see how many vertices or corners does a cuboid has. So, this is first corner, second corner, third corner, fourth corner, fifth corner, sixth corner, seventh corner and eighth corner. Therefore, a cuboid has 8 corners or vertices. Now children, observe the face. Which type it is? Curved or plane? Yes, it is a plane face in a rectangle shape. So now, let us count and see how many plane faces does a cuboid has. So this is first face, second face, third face, fourth face, fifth face and down is sixth face. So a cuboid has 6 plain rectangular faces. So children, we observe is that a cuboid has 12 straight edges or sides. It has 8 vertices or corners and it has 6 plain rectangular faces. Now let us see which shape we have. Yes, here it is. So which shape is this? Children, this shape is called a cylinder. Now children, observe the edges and say whether they are plain or curved. Edges means sides. Yes? So we can observe that a cylinder has a curved or circular edges. Yes, na children? So how many edges or sides does a cylinder has? Let's count. This is first curved edge and down is second curved edge. So is there any more edges? No. So a cylinder has 2 curved edges. Now let us see a corners. How many corners or vertices a cylinder has? So each cylinder is having any vertex or any corner? Can you see anywhere? No. So we cannot see. Therefore, it has no vertex. Now, observe the faces. Which type of it is? This is flat. Yes. So, it has a flat surface. And this one is curved face. So, children, it has two plain faces, that is up and down. And in the between, which face it is? Yes, it is a curved face. Therefore, it has three faces. Two are plain faces and one is curved face. So, what we observed about cylinder, can you say me? Yes, a cylinder has two curved edges or sides. It has no vertex or corners. And it has two plain faces and one curved face. Now, let's see the next shape. Which we have the next shape? Here it is. Which shape is it? Yes, it is a cone. Children, observe this. It is called a cone. Now, let's see which type of edges or sides a cone has. So, this has a curved edge. Yes? Is there any more edges a cone has? No. Therefore, cone has one curved edge. Now let's count the vertex and see how many vertices a cone has. So this one we can see. So this is a corner, yes? And can we see more any vertices? No. So it has one vertex or corner. Now let's see how many faces a cone has. So this is a one plain face and this one is curved face. Therefore we observe is that it has one curved face and one plain face. So children, what we observed is that a cone has one curved edge or side, it has one vertex or corner, and it has one plain face and one curved face. Now, let's see the last shape. Which one it is? Yes, you all play with it. Yes, na children? Yes, it is a sphere. So now children, observe it. Does it has any side or edges? No, we cannot see any side. Now, can we see any corner? No. So there is no corner in a sphere. Now, again observe the sphere. Can you see any face? And if it is there, which type of it is? Observe children. Yes, it has one curved face. So children, we observe is that a sphere has no edges or sides, it has no vertex or corners, and it has only one face which is curved. So now children, I hope that you all have understood about solid shapes and its properties. If you like this video, then please press on like button and also give your valuable comments. And don't forget to subscribe Surya's Easy Maths. And please press on bell icon for more notifications. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.